that everywhere is peaceful. The problem we have is low voter turnout, particularly in the cities, and that has always been the case. But going right to some of the satellite towns, you can see that it's quite impressive. Coming to this polling unit, you can see the number of persons that are here, just like other ones we went. It's unfortunate in the cities, very low turnout. And off-cycle election like this is always the case. So but what's important is that its election is peaceful, no violence, no snatching of ballot papers and ballot boxes. That's why I said the election is peaceful. It means that security is well done. They've done their job very well. We used to have where we saw violence in this polling unit, violence, but in this case we have not had any case of reported violence in the units.
Minister, some persons have said that this is like a litmus paper for INEC in terms of using the beavers and IREF to conduct the elections. But you monitored this in capacity as the minister. What would you say in this regard?
Well, first of all, they've not started counting votes. It's only when the votes are counted that you talk about transmission. But from what is going on there, they are saying that everything moving on well in terms of using the beavers. We will commend INEC for what we have seen so far. That's what I would say. It's unfortunate. I thought as a senator that she should be able to read. I never imposed coffee. If you had my statement, I said, with the approval of Mr. President, I said from 8 p.m. to 6 p.m. today, that people are doing the Will Sit movement. And this is not the first time. And you can see that they don't take patience to read it. I know she reads love magazines and all those things, but I don't have a chance time to read on that educative material. Like when you see somebody's speech, why not take time and get the speech and understand what was said? I never on my own. I said, by the approval of Mr. President. I said so, clear. So she has her problems. I don't want to join the issue. At the end of the election, when the results come out, then we will know.
What is your call to the resident of the FCT as election is about commencing?
Well, all I would say that people have voted, and they said that voting will end by 2:30, and then they will start doing the collation. The way it had been peaceful and orderly in terms of voting period, they should also be peaceful and orderly when elections have been connected. It is that period where those who feel or have some feeling that they may lose may want to cause one problem or the other. I think that security is important to the task.